Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to insert a PDF in Excel. So let's get right into it. Once you have opened up your Excel file, head over to the insert section, and here in the text section you can see an option like this. If you hover on it, you will see it's named object. Click on it and then change to create from file, then click on browse and search for your desired PDF that you want to add in your Excel sheet, and click on insert, click OK, and here you can see my PDF is added in my Excel sheet. This is how you can do it. You can also enlarge it or decrease it in size. Whatever you want to do, you can do. And that's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.